All right, now to that highly anticipated third Supreme Court challenge to the Affordable Care Act, former President Barack Obama's signature piece of legislation. While Republicans hope the conservative majority will kill it, tonight it appears likely to survive. Here's CBS's Jan Crawford.
It's the first challenge to the Affordable Care Act for this newly conservative Supreme Court. 18 Republican-led states, joined in part by the Trump administration, arguing Congress's decision in 2017 to eliminate a key provision in the statute. The requirement that people buy insurance or pay a penalty means the entire law must be struck down.
Because we got rid of the individual mandate.
But based on their questions, over 2 hours of arguments, a majority of the justices seem unwilling to go along, indicating they will not set aside a law that reshaped the insurance marketplace and provides health care protections for more than 20 million people. Chief Justice John Roberts.
I think it's hard for you to argue that Congress intended the entire act to fall.
Justice Brett Kavanaugh.
It does seem fairly clear that the proper remedy would be to sever the mandate provision and leave the rest of the act in place.
A majority of Americans support Obamacare. More voters who cast ballots in the election want the justices to keep it as it is than to overturn it. Today, new Justice Amy Coney Barrett gave few clues on how she sees the law. Her questions and comments were focused and highly technical.
That it would be odd for us to construe the statute as Congress saying, well, we're going to change the statute in a way that's going to render it constitutional, or this provision in a way that will render it unconstitutional.
Now, I do have a caveat. It can be very hard to read these justices because they're hearing arguments by telephone because of the coronavirus. But based on these questions today, it seems a majority is clearly poised to leave the bulk of this law in place with a decision as soon as this spring. Nora?
Jan Crawford at the court tonight. Thank you, Jan.